Welcome all. Earning money and getting it right things we need is very much haptic in this world now because everyone needs to earn money at the easiest way, but they don't know which way they could earn it. Here's a way by which you could earn more money on burst coin mining. Thanks. Hi there, this is Sam from TechnoSino. Today we are going to take a look at Buscoin mining. Buscoin mining is nothing but mining using your hard disk instead of using your CPU or APU in the computer. The big advantage of your Buscoin mining is that you don't need any new hard disk and it works on all the hard disk with the free space and you don't need to even partition it. It can work on all the drives, even on system default drives. Also, that today we are gonna look at the Buscoin mining. See, the setup is given in the description, and you have to install as I installed it. It would followly install your Visual C++ 2013 also in it. If you already have it, just skip the step and you could finalize the installation. The difference between the Bitcoin mining and Buscoin mining is that in Bitcoin mining, you should set up your Bitcoin minings and you should mine using your CPU or APU performances. This would affect your CPU's power usage and there would be more power shortage for it. Considerably, if you are using APU to solve some of the Bitcoin problems, it would take more resources in OpenGL. For your sake of usage, please restart your system before continuing this. Okay, now you could see that the installation have been finalized. Before opening it, you should also ensure that you could have the latest Java version installed on your PC. Please check it, otherwise it will not run. Okay, then as you could check that if your system has Java, if you have checked it, then we can now discuss that how we can earn money using this Burst coin mining. The first thing is that you use up your hard disk space to mine a block of data present in the hard drives, not present in the files with you. These are files that are downloaded from the Burstcoin pools. Pools are something gives the which gives the access files for the Burstcoin mining. The files are gotten up from the internet and these are stored in the drives where we have allocated, and these are mined to get any new data blocks. If a block is found, you could earn money from that. For finding that block, it doesn't require any more CPU usage. You could use your CPU or laptop as far as you daily use, and the mining can go in the background. It will not affect your daily performance. Okay, then if you have earned bust coins, then the next question is that how can I use it as far as the real money is concerned for me? Don't think that because as far as first the Bitcoin arose, all were thought that it was useless. But now the Bitcoin is playing an important and vital role in the whole environment and the placement of all industries. The biggest advantage with burst mining is that you don't need lot much of electricity and also you don't need lot much of CPU resources. It could be implemented in even a Raspberry Pi, but the main thing is that you need many hard disk spaces. Example for 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, even in 5 GBs you could also start this. There is no problem, but the cost of mining will be very less for small drives. Okay, that now if you have earned money from the burst coin, now we would have to spend it. The easier way is that we could exchange our burst coin with any coins we need in the virtual money. Virtual money means this money will be virtually used. It cannot be used in the real time. For example, if you have 1,000 burst coin, you could convert these burst coins into bitcoins. This Bitcoin can be used to buy a new laptop, mobile phones, groceries, even accessories. Even in Amazon, Flipkart, and eBay, they support this type of all the new Bitcoins, but not available in all countries. You could check it for all the countries, but it is easy to implement. The burst coins are easy to earn and easy to exchange with Bitcoins. Bitcoins are widely used in all the fields nowadays. Now that we have completed the installation, As when you first open the Burst local wallet, you could see this screen. It would ask you are a returning user or a new user. If you are new user, click this new user. Then it will redirect you, generating a password for you. This is your password for logging into your Burst account. Please make a note of it because it will be asked once again. I just now copy it. Okay. This is then it would ask for a password to re-enter it. You should type the same password as you entered before. Okay. Now you could see this. This is my Burst wallet. As soon as you first open it, it would ask to downloading a blockchain. Blockchain is nothing but the block files it would needed for mining in your hard disk. This is called the Burst ID for your account. This is a unique ID generated by Burst. Only this will be generated when you type the passphrase which you entered. You could also create your own passphrase, but the passphrase should contain characters, numeric, alphanumeric characters, and also it should be in a safe length of 35 characters for good encryption. Also that now you could see my account balance is 0 and the Burst ID is this. If you need to get Burst coins from others, you should provide this Burst ID to others so that they can send Burst through Burst client. Okay. When you open your account, you could see the dashboard, transaction, asset exchanges, marketplace, etc. This is the Burst ID. Here it shows no name is set. When we click here, it would ask for your name and your passphrase. You should remember the passphrase for every time you log in. As soon as you see, you would see a window like this, but I'm opened it in a browser, but you could also open it via your Burst wallet application. In the browser, it doesn't have the way to plot and mine it. Once you have download the blockchain, you could see two options: write plots and start mining. Write plots and start mining are the major workings of the Burst ID. Now you could see that there are two options: write plots and start mining. Okay, that now if you could write the plots and start the mining easily, while you should write the plot in the hard disk. Only the option that will show in write plots is that it will ask for which hard disk to use and how much space do you need to use. While I click the write plots, you could see that it detects all my drives. You could see all my drives present here. I would like to use the drive called E drive, I think so. Yeah, E drive. I have 9.68 GB free, so that I click on write plots and I select the E drive. Oops. E drive. It shows me the total size is 9 and free GB is 9. I want to plot this drive. Then it will ask for how much space would I like to plot it. Now I said to always remember this. This is my Burst ID. I just copy it and paste here. I would like to allocate around 1 GB of space here. So when I click plotting, it will start in a command prompt and it will ask for collecting the strategies. Now all you have to is sit back and relax because it will take more time. This is the only lagging time that uses process your CPU. While after this, it will not again use your CPU for mining. Once it completed, we will come back here soon. Okay, that now we have finished it. After finishing, it says finished plotting and it shows a burst command. Now we could close it, and what we are gonna do is just click on start mining and it would ask for what to do. It would found the plots where it is, because which drive I selected was E drive, and the E drive you could see a folder called burst. Now this burst have all the files it needed to plot. Now what we have to do is choose a pool. I would best select to choose a pool called burst.ninja, which is also default pool. Now we click on start mining. That's all we have to do it. Then now you could see the CPU performance, it's as average as you would expect. It is not overutilizing or full utilizing. It just uses 3.5 percentage of CPU usage alone. It would plot for you, and if it finds any data blocks in it, it would be automatically given you a burst reward in your account. This burst rewards are nothing but the burst coin balances. This would be increased once it would find any burst blocks present in the data blockchain downloading. That's all. This is very easy, and as it could earn you more money if you use more number of hard disk space. I just implemented with the 1 GB, and it could find it files of one file. After a sequence of time, it could find many files though. As far as the files are being easily generated, I could earn money in this burst coins easily. I will show you the proof also.